All right, y'all, what is going on? So today we are putting wheels and tires in the rear of the Mustang. Titan2Valve is getting some new shoes in the rear. All right, you can see them back there. We got some Bullitt style 10.5-inch from Wheel Replica. All right, I'll tell you why in a little bit why I got it from them. And then we have some Mickey Thompson Street Comp 315s in the rear. I gotta head over to work, so I'll probably take them into Tires Plus around lunchtime, and then later on probably put them on. So let's see me struggle and put them in the car. Baby, can you hold this real quick? Actually, you guys haven't seen her yet. Look how beautiful she is. Hold on, the lighting's better over here. Look how beautiful she is. All right, can you hold this for me?
Yes.
Oh gosh.
Ta-da!
We should have put them in your car, babe. So I'm heading on over to work right now. Like I said, heading on over to work, so I'll probably have to take these into Tires Plus during lunchtime. I want to talk a little bit about why I got them from Wheel Replica. Yes, they are Wheel Replica tires. They aren't from American Muscle, they aren't from LMR, and I kind of want to tell you why. So I was kind of searching around, and I kind of want to tell you guys why, or maybe even if I regret it, if I regret that I got it from them, or if I feel like, hey, you know what, I did good. I did good getting them. So I got them from Wheel Replica. I was kind of looking around, probably how most of you guys do, and I looked at American Muscle, and I saw a ton of people saying that the color didn't match the OEM ones. And honestly, you hear that a lot with these wheels. Like, just the OEM ones they aren't the same color as the aftermarket ones. And so I was going on online, and bro, it is hot. All right, that is one thing. I don't know how people do AC deletes in South Florida. It is way too hot for that. That is a no-no for me. I'm a big boy. I need my AC to continue. So I kept on going. I looked at LMR, and they were probably the ones that I was leaning towards the most. They were the ones I kind of wanted more than anything, but they didn't have the Mickey Thompson Street Comps I wanted. They didn't have 315s. They just had Nittos, and nothing bad against Nittos. I just really like Mickey Thompson. But I decided to go with Wheel Replica. I kept on looking around, kept on kind of just going in online, and honestly, I only saw one review for Wheel Replica. Only one. And when I looked at the kind of like the pictures online of it and stuff like that, they were the only one that that kind of matched. They were the only one that looked the closest to. Saw a few pictures of American Muscles, and you could tell they were a lighter color. They didn't really look the same. And SVs were pretty close, I'm not gonna lie. They were really close, but the only ones that looked really good and close to it online were the ones from Wheel Replica. So I decided to go with them, I bought them through Lethal Performance. They're actually like in Central Florida, I believe Wellington, and I'm in South Florida, so I got them in like 2 days, which was nice. So as you saw from the clip earlier, I kind of already opened them up, so I know whether they are real, like whether they're good or whether they're not. I know right now whether they fit the color that I wanted or not. And I'm honestly gonna tell you, I'm gonna be honest, I messed up. I messed up. I should have gone with LMR. They were honestly the ones that were closest, probably closest to them. I got them, opened them up, and they are lighter. They're lighter than the ones I currently have on the Mustang. I was bummed out. I was honestly super bummed out when I got them. Opened them up, and I was like, oh man, like, why? But I am gonna stick with them. I'm gonna stick with them. I really like them. Like, the style of them is sick. They look amazing, and they're not crazy off. They honestly, they remind me of the American Muscle ones, and a lot of you guys have them on your new edges. I've seen them, seen pictures of them, and they don't look bad. They don't look terrible. They look pretty decent, so I'm gonna keep them. All right, y'all, it has been a few days already. I kind of did the whole tires thing towards the beginning of the week, and now I'm mounting them. Today we have a car show at the church I work at, so kind of getting ready for that. I wiped down the car last night when I got home, and then now I'm putting these tires on. So let's get to it. I'm ready to put these things on. It's been a while already, and I'm excited to see what it looks like with these wheels and tires. Let's go.
a huge shout out to Carson Gramling from the B team for getting me this for my birthday. I would have been here for hours, all right, if it wasn't for this thing. So thank you, brother. All right, they are on. I'll show you a little bit of it. I'm heading to the car show, so I'm gonna go shower. All right, y'all, I had to go inside, take a shower, and kind of get things ready. Went to a car show earlier. I literally had no time to film. I was just kind of enjoying it, kind of walking around and stuff. It was a car show with the church I work for, Potential Church. So if you guys were there, you guys enjoyed it just like I did. It was amazing. I was one of the judges, so it was pretty cool, pretty neat experience. But yes, the wheels and tires are all set up. Let's take a look real quick. Like I said, like, I love them, like I do. I love the setup. The only thing that I don't like is that they are a lighter color. I can guarantee you, I've seen American Muscles Bullitt style wheels, and I can guarantee you they're the same thing. Like, it's the same exact thing. I just thought Wheel Replica, at least from the pictures that I saw online, they did look a little darker, they did look a little better, but I guess it wasn't the case. But I love the setup. It is sick. Check this out. It is definitely a way fatter tire. So like I said, Mickey Thompson street comps, 315s, 315 40, 315 35 17s. So they look good. They look good. I think they did do like a super good job with like just polishing this rim here. It definitely is pretty sick. I got a car passing right by. So it is pretty sick. I do like the way it looks. I like the stance that it gives the car. Kind of gives it more of that kind of American muscle look. So I do enjoy it. I do enjoy it. But yeah, you see? Let me walk back. Kind of show you guys from back here. You can kind of tell from here that the ones in the rear are a lot lighter. So like I said, I'll maybe in the future get them kind of painted darker, because I do like the color of that. I like the darker, kind of more gunmetal color rather than these. They call it anthracite, but at least from what was anthracite in 03, I guess is an anthracite now. So it is it gives the car a really neat look. Pretty sick. It's definitely looks way wider in the rear. All right, y'all, that is it for me. That's the video for today. Wheel Replica 10.5-inch rims, and then did some Mickey Thompson street comp 315 35 17s in the rear. Guys, if you guys like these videos, if you enjoy watching it, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.